Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the first 48 hours with version 2004. That's 20H1, the next version of Windows coming early this year. Yes, version 2004, a lot of you made the comment, it does feel bizarre when we think about it, and version 2004. But it's there for one reason. 2004 means that it's April of 2020. We know that this version will start rolling out probably to seekers by the end of March and to general availability by April. And this is going to be interesting to see how it goes. Like I said, I had a rocky start at the install, which had a little problems and was difficult to do, but now it actually is installed and works well. So what are my personal observations the first 48 hours? Did I see any problems, glitches, any problems at all? What I see is that for the first, basically for the first 24 hours, 48 hours of use is that the only little glitch that I noticed, it was that the startup is a little slower than it was before I had a faster access to my desktop. Not by a lot, but enough to actually notice that it takes a little longer to start up. For the other thing, one of the weird glitches that I've seen, and it actually involves a third-party software, Google Chrome. Maybe I should reinstall it. Google Chrome, actually, when I go to certain websites where there's little thumbnails of pictures and of videos, YouTube for example, it loads the first half of the page and the rest of the thumbnails stay black for some reason. But then again, I am using dark mode. Maybe it's simply because dark mode plus all of that together isn't actually working well. But for the most part, for pretty much everything else, I had to reinstall a few little things, like my microphone, for example, had to be reinstalled. Had to be reconfigured with OBS Studio for the recording, the screen recording. So there's a few little things like that because it's a big install of a new version of Windows. So the drivers actually are basically, just missing or reinstalled. So that's why it on some hardware, and I would say that's probably one of the biggest drawbacks of the big feature updates, is that depending on what you have as hardware, sometimes you might need to reinstall something. I've seen a lot of comments, for example, of people saying every time I have a feature update, I lose my sound. I got to reinstall the sound driver. These are things that shouldn't be because let's face it, most people aren't tech savvy. So they actually shouldn't have to do that because they have no clue as to why sound is not there anymore. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. But for the most part, my upgrade to 2004 went pretty smooth. And using it, no freezes, no green screen, blue screen, or anything. And I had a cumulative update. The cumulative update for the little bug fixes, but also for the security updates. So I'm at the latest version right now, 19041.84. And so, of course, the question that I got asked a lot this weekend is, should I move on to this? Okay, wait. It's not available officially for regular folks, so you should just wait. And there's not enough new features to really warrant a update to the version 2004 right now, or 19041. Just wait for it to arrive. When it does, that's the best and safest way to get it actually on your PC. Let me do the tests, and let me, if I have glitches, I know how to actually, reinstall and have things going back and running. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.